This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together.
Topsy!
Just like you, just like us,
Hey,
and
Tim.
we'll be friends forever. We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together. Be best friends forever.
It's us, Topsy and Tim. Our house is a bit smelly today. Bad smell. Mummy! Mummy! I made a butterfly mask and I made a dinosaur mask.
Oh, wow, let me see. Oh, my goodness, did you have fun at Kerry's then?
Yeah. Yes. Ugh, Mummy! It's that bad smell again.
I don't know what it is. Is it still really smelly? I don't know where it's coming from. Can you help me find it?
Today there's a bad smell in our house. And we don't know what it is. I can't breathe, Mummy. I'm going to hold my breath. Oh. Poo! The smell is really strong under here. Ugh.
Is it the sofa? Is that where it's coming from?
It's the sofa.
Oh.
The bad smell's coming from the sofa, Mummy. Tim, look. It's that. I'm not touching it.
Oh, what have you found? Oh. Oh.
It's Dad's sports bag.
Well done, you two. Oh.
Ah.
Oh, it's your dad's dirty football kit. He must have left it in there for weeks.
Oh, what's that smell?
It's your smelly football kit that you left behind the sofa.
Sorry.
Yeah. Oh, that'll be the estate agent.
Who?
The estate agent. Estate agents are people who sell houses. And hopefully this estate agent will sell our house.
Why?
Well, so we can move to a bigger, better house.
We're moving today.
No, we're not. Anyway, our house is very smelly right now. And you can't sell a smelly house, Topsy and Tim.
I don't want anyone to sell our house.
Hello, come in.
Hello, Mrs. O'Dell. Bert Burgess, Hatcham Estate Agent.
Call me Joy.
Thank you. Hello.
Are you going to sell our house?
Well, yes, I am. Are you the person who's going to show me around?
Please may I, Mummy?
Okay.
I'm Topsy. Follow me. Sorry, it's a bit smelly in here.
Dear.
This is the kitchen, and this is my dad.
Hello there, I'm Bert.
Hi, Brian O'Dell. Nice to meet you. And this is Topsy's twin brother, Tim.
Oh, I didn't expect to meet a dinosaur today. Well, it's a lovely kitchen. What's that smell?
It's that. Ew!
Oh, Bri, that smelly football kit needs to be in the washing machine, not on top of it. I'm sorry, Bert. The house doesn't normally smell like that. It's just that Brian left his dirty football kit in his bag for weeks.
Oh, that's all right, I've done it. Smelly.
Would you like to come and see the sandpit?
Oh, I'd love to.
Dad says this garden's getting too small for Tim and me.
Yes, well, I have seen bigger.
Well, that's one of the reasons why we need a bigger house, a bigger garden.
Sure.
You know, as you can see, we've totally outgrown this one. It's
Back in a minute. Sorry.
Yeah, that's what we're tending to find out, obviously, once the little ones start coming along.
Hey, Tim. You okay? I can smell that bad smell again. Can you?
I don't want to move to a different house.
Oh, you. It won't be as bad as you think. You'll get a bedroom of your own and a bigger garden. Hey, you could even get a swing each. You know, twin swings. Would you like that?
Yeah. Dad?
Yes.
You know you said that an estate agent couldn't sell a smelly house?
Yeah?
Well, I've hidden your bag. I've hidden your bag under your bed so the estate agent can't sell our house.
Uh-oh. Are you sorry?
I'm sorry, Dad.
Good boy.
Ugh, it's that bad smell again.
I think the drains might need looking at.
It's your smelly bag, isn't it, Bri? Is it up here? Bri?
Yep, it's in our bedroom.
What?
Why?
Tim hid it under the bed. He thought it might stop the estate agent selling the house. But he's very sorry.
I'm sorry, Mummy.
I'll wash it right now.
Thank you. Oh, Tim, that's all right. You don't usually do silly things like that, do you? And it's a big day today, isn't it?
Yeah, selling a house that you've been happy with, well, it's a big change for all of you.
Why don't we show Bert around the rest of the house together, Tim? OK, come on.
All right, lead on, Topsy and Tim.
This is Mummy and Daddy's.
Hey, guys, help me set the table. Okay, guys, sit down for me. Grab your knives and forks.
After the estate agent left, it was time for lunch. Sausages. They smell nice.
OK, tuck in. Help yourselves.
Now, Mummy and Topsy, I made a promise to Tim today. When we move to a new house, it's got to have a bigger garden. So there's room for twin swings.
Twin swings!
Actually, the house on Westview Avenue has a big garden. Perfect for twin swings.
Wow! And that's when Mummy said, I think we should move there.
I think we should move there.
Me too. If we can have twin swings. May I have some juice, Mummy?
Of course you can. Of course we can have twin swings. Yes, you can. Now, tuck in before it gets cold.
And that's it, Mummy. Was that? Hello. Are you good at remembering? Can you remember what happened to us today? This is our Topsy and Tim memory game. Let's play. There was a bad smell coming from behind our sofa today. But can you remember what we found behind the sofa? Was it Dad's smelly sock? Or was it Dad's smelly sports bag? The answer is behind the cloud. Look, the answer is Dad's smelly sports bag. Watch this. Whoa. Pooh! The smell is really strong under here.
Is it the sofa? Is that where it's coming from?
It's the sofa.
Oh!
The bad smell's coming from the sofa, Mummy. Tim, look. It's that. I'm not touching it.
Oh, what have you found? Oh.
It's Dad's sports bag.
Well done, you two. Oh!
Ah!
Oh, it's your dad's dirty football kit. He must have left it in there for weeks. Oh, that's...
Oh, what's that smell?
It's your smelly football kit that you left behind the sofa. Great game. That was good fun. See you soon.